Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the color pattern materials on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the toolbar on the left side on the screen and tap to the folder icon under the layers. Tap to the color pattern section. Here you can find different pattern, effect, background and texture materials. Just drag the chosen material onto the canvas. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.